Hi, welcome dear students to third video of chapter 2 of class 7th. Today I am going to discuss about octal number system. Previous session I had explained about the decimal number system and the binary number system. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to the binary to decimal conversion. Okay. So octal number system has 8 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Is 8 digits only, then the base of the octal number system is base is 8. You learned about the decimal number system, base is 10, and the binary number system there is 2 digit only, so base is there 2. Understood? Okay. So octal number system is also a positive value system with where each digit has its value expressed in the power of 8. Understood? So whenever you going to write the digits from the right to left, start with 8 to the power 0, 12, 1, 8 to the power 2, 12, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Similarly. Now you can see here the decimal equivalent of octal number is the sum of the product of each digit with its positional value. What is the meaning of this? This is similar to the procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to the binary to decimal conversion. So now you can see here the number 726 base 8. So now you can count from the rightmost side. You can see the unit digit here, unit place 6, tens place is here 2 and hundredth place there is 7. Okay, so now you can write down 6 into unit place value, that is 8 to the power 0. You have seen this one in the chart here. The first rightmost side indicate with 0. So first digit is 0, 6. So you can multiply 6 into 8 to the power 0. Next digit is 2. Write down 2 into 8 to the power 1. Second digit is 8 to the power. You can 0, 1 and next 2. So 100th position you can see here the 7. So write down 7 into 8 to the power 2. Similarly you can see here 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1 and 8 to the power 2. What is meaning? It's start with a rightmost side. Okay, now you can sum up product of each digit, okay, with its positional value. So 7 into 64, that is 448, 2 into 8, that is 16, and plus 6 into 8 to the power 0. So what is the value of 8 to the power 0? That is 1. So 6 into 1, that is 6. So sum of the number and we'll get here, that is 448 plus 16, 64, 464 plus 6, that is 470, and base is 10. Because to change this number, change this octal number to decimal number. Understood? Okay, this is very simple, and you already done such type of previous class, the similar to the binary to decimal conversion. I hope you understood this, how to convert octal number system. Next I am going to explain hexadecimal number system. How many digits in the hexadecimal number? Okay, you can see the hexadecimal number. In octal system there are 8 digit 0 to 7, and in the hexadecimal number you can see the number system contains 16 digit. Octal 8 as it is clear from its name, and hexadecimal this number system contains 16 symbols. Okay, so that is 16, that is 0 to 9, that is 10 digit, and A, B, C, D, E and F 6 digit F. So later represents number starting from 10, that is A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, and E is equal to 14, and last one F is equal to 15. Okay, so there are total 16 digits. Okay, each position in the hexadecimal number represent 0 power of the base, so that is total base is here 16, because there are total 16 symbols 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay. So now you can see the similar structure of the from rightmost side to left side: 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so base is 16. Okay, now we're going to explain the example. Decimal equivalent of any hexadecimal number is sum of the product of each digit with its positional value. Now you can see the digit 27 FB, and base is here 16. Why? Because the hexadecimal number contains 16 symbols. Only then base is here 16. So now you can write down B. What is the position? You can just start with a 2, first digit 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. So write down 2 into 0, 1, 2, 3, 16 to the power 3, 7 into 16 to the power 2, plus 15 into 16 to the power 1, and plus 10 into 16 to the power 0. Okay, so now you can check. Now you can add this number 2 into 16 cube plus 7 into 16 squared, that is 1792, and 15 into 16 to the power 1 plus 10 into 16 to the power 0. So now the sum of the number, you will get the required result. Okay, so this one very simple. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.